Hi, this is Paul from Sales for Real, and today we're going to be going over how to install the app. That means that you will have a Shopify store. Here's the back office. And you'll have a Google Ads account and a Merchant Center account. If you don't have those two things set up just yet, don't worry, because elsewhere in the instructions we go over that. Now, one of the things you need to remember with your Google Merchant Center is you need to make sure that it's already been linked to your Google Ads. And you can see in this case, here it is, nice green tick. So that is connected. Okay, so back to the back office of our store. We go to apps and then we go visit the app store to install the app that we're looking for. You've done this before, I'm sure. So we type in Google Dynamic Remarketing, the name of our app. Oops, I can't type very well today for some reason. And there's our app at the top. So we go to the page and we choose Add App to begin our 14-day free trial. This page here shows you where we needed to interface with your ads account and your Shopify site to make the app work. So we choose Add App. Now, here's the installation. So if you haven't yet done the or created the Google Ads account and the Merchant Center, choose Next. But what we're going to do here is assume you have that and click here to begin. So in that case, the first thing we need is the conversion ID from Google Ads. We show you how to do it and we have a video on the page anyway, but let's just go over it again. We go to our ads account and we choose Audience Manager and then Audience Sources. At the top you have a box there for Google Ads. Yours may look different if you've set nothing up there yet. Anyway, go into details and any missing steps are relatively easy to complete. Then we scroll down a bit till we get to the tag at the bottom and we pretend that we have the tag manager installed, and there's our conversion ID. So I select that and copy it. Now I can go back to the installation and paste it into the box and choose Next. Okay, we wanted to save you this step, but because we interfaced with the checkout, it wasn't really possible. You have to copy and paste this piece of code here. So we put a nice copy button there right next to it. So you copy that onto your clipboard. Now you go back to the back office and we need to go to Settings and then Checkout. Okay, scroll down a bit. There's the box where the code goes. Paste it, save it. Okay, back to the setup instructions. So that step is done. We can press Next. You're pretty much there. You can create your dynamic remarketing campaign in your Google Ads account, but don't forget to click Next to complete the full installation. And there you are, you're all set.